we are here at the Centennial Tower here in Midland, Texas. Look at those lanterns.
Yeah, a lot of them.
They're right underneath the doors. Cool handrail design. Perfectly. They've been modded. The other building, the 13th floor.
Fifteenth floor.
Door track. Not sure what this should be.
Going down.
That's a crappy mine. Look at those buttons, those are mad. Moon, I think. That's the PS Classic. It's a nice cab. Cab design is very, very nice. See, look at these mirrored handrails with a little touch of this. Beautiful.
First floor. Going up.
Look at that. That's very cool. Let's go and ring another elevator here. There goes that one. Let's go ring another one. I like these.
They light up.
No, the bulbs light up.
I like these handrails.
I like the handles. Or the handrails. Yep, crappy mine. Boy, I'm surprised. Not really. A lot of crappy mods in this town.
Floor 15. Going down.
Really tall elevators. Look at this. How do you like the cab design? This gives you a Class A office building. Look at that. That's beautiful. And here we one. Let's go up
Floor
here.
1.
Actually, we'll push this button here.
Going up.
These light up.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's a cool bulb. See, some of them work, some of them don't. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.